Yo, RTX Queenie when she go get her divorce done. Wagwan, one of the pan. Welcome to Sandy and Bone Stevie. And RT move like him jealous over Queenie or him want give Queenie something or something you see it. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. And you can follow me at Instagram at Sandy and Bone Stevie as it. And you don't know RT move from where they like him really like Queenie. I don't know what him up to now. You don't know them man they're the spiritual reader man you see it so the man they can up to something you see it. But you don't know him a move like a real friend so him there read up Queenie but four little man after Queenie you see it and man put himself in it you see me. So yeah man we're going to forward and hear what he must say and see what the master you see.
Now look a quick reading. Out of them four man, you know, when the time come, who you ever pick?
Which four?
Me and the other two when your phone and friend and who you meet.
RT, let me tell you something. I don't have no man in my phone. Instead of two man in my phone, one of them I give them pussy already for 2 weeks. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
When me get weeks, yeah, and me I come back and got a man malice me. Them say I'm not a musician yet. But me and him still have that him still have that little respect that when me message me and say, Janice, if you're alright, and so I'm saying want to see me again. So me not have no man as not intimate man. The next man now where you talk about two man in my phone like it's a two man into my phone is one man where me a peep on long time. And we sell him like a emoji, like a love art, and like a God emoji, and like a queen emoji. But him not look bad. I be not look. We just peep on him. True. Mm?
So the Jamaica want that. I could talk about the Jamaica wannabe, you know.
Me say me take the man for 2 weeks. RT already.
So
So
why we not go link up? Why me soon not go link up soon? Like him a come carry something can give you.
watch out. Don't read my RT. Don't do that. Don't. RT, me tell us, me know why me here you go up and reading up something. No, them want come. Listen,
No, but why you explain that? Why am I come there for?
him not come. Me not allow.
But him want carry something come.
Yeah, him say want come visit me. I'm to send him a location, but I didn't. I'm not interested like that. What? I'm a like you know, like him think me I idiot. Him depend this a listen to.
Lord Jesus, what a mix up.
I must win today. And from last week, from Friday, the man said I for send him a location. Me not speak back to him from then. I just them two man in on my phone. Right now, if you take my phone, everybody have my pin. Me not have no money. RT, me not run your hours. How much hours me run? You see no man a ring me, I'm ring nobody. No, sir. Me no want a man. RT I blush too. What's the RT and Queenie I blush? Where I blush? RT I will blush.
We are brush right
So
now.
like out of you, two man. Yeah, I wish other man. All four man coming out.
Me now, me that talk about the old man. Him sick, but me not think he look there so.
The old man. With the old man, where you read about the old man?
Him
Tell
have
me.
money, but he gets thing with have to talk about that privately.
He's in America, you know. Him send me a house. We don't make me tell her, come tell us, I'm not reading up something with you. You see the old man there, but since I just said, RT, let me give you your ego. The man send me a house where I must say Atlanta and say him want me to come live with him. But me can't go get up live with people, so we can't do that. So me can't do that.
I read something like that one.
Read something, I have the man number in my phone. Him used to live in England. And him message me and said to me, say, I must come to America and he must send for me and take care of me and come. Me can't do that. Me can't, be too reliant on myself for all these years. I can't do that. I can't just go live with somebody who I don't know, so. This real? Them use this as a slang when I step on stage in the
This
art.
real.
RT, but you can't read. Don't read me, do RT. True. Me don't want you read me. That's spoil me your friendship. Yeah? I like to lust for you. I like to admire you.
You know, I'm see what going behind the back then. All right.
No, sir. Don't read my RT, yeah? Because once I'm truthful enough.
Anyway, let me just say one thing and done. Since me enter and close. There's a gathering. We're not cooking and jerk chicken and food cooking, like a family gathering. Congratulations on that gathering. You're going to find peace, do a lot of video and taking, and expect another grandchild.
What's your
Expect another grandchild.
RT? And my brother dead, we're dead gathering here, so I got grave digging. So I must that you say me. We will see RT. Don't read me. Yeah, later.
Yeah, run me. Me tap me know
No,
something.
I'm not run you, but you know, as I said, I don't want me to go down that reading road.
Okay, so let's talk about different something. So what you said now, we could go back in this. Queenie, run me the caca. Let's Queenie.
RT. RT. You know, may I make a good team together, RT? Don't run, because you can't take confrontation. RT, may you? Yeah?
Why you say that?
Because I know you would like that, so you don't want to say it. I know you would fuck me.
But why can you feel like if you do things, maybe fine, no? Back? Or you just feel like...
RT, after me, I do not know. No. Things. No, I'm not have that fear because me the open person. So I don't like me have no spoil a lot of things. You understand me? May have a great relationship and I like that. Because if me take feelings and cantankerousness and botheration, you don't eat me too low, Artie. Low me. Make the feeling. It's better like that. Yeah. It is. It is. I know that's why you always provoke me all these years, Artie, because you like me. I know. I tell him I feel a spirit. I know you're alone spiritual. I don't read up your spirituality. You genuinely like me. I see that making an army. So when everybody else them scared and them not trust RT, I trust you. That's my spirit do, and I work with my spirit. So no matter what you want, it's from my spirit. Even like how you get me excited. I like that.
Yeah,
Yeah, you keep my light burning, and that's beautiful. God send a fairies at the right time. No, nobody tell you nothing. May you get me?
Question. Go back one more time in here. Not about reading. Or go back in your question now. In your life.
Yeah,
I hear you ask by the interview. Them asked upon the interview. And both me and everybody glad saying you not talk about it that much. But when should we, what year should we expect a divorce? I'm gonna mute a little bit.
wipe your face. RT, let me fix my teeth to them. Come on, want them drop out. RT, you know I am. That's all I have out of whatever I've been through. So in my own time, because it don't make no sense. I tell people the next 2 months to make them feel satisfied, and then by the time I don't talk to them, I change my mind. And that's what happening to me. He said every time I say I'm going to do it, by the time we don't talk, we change my mind, I said I'm not doing it. I have to wait for one way. And it just have to happen naturally. You understand?
So you are saying you don't think you're ready. Alright.
No, for my sake, nothing to do with
Okay.
nobody.
So what if they had a person serve it to you?
No, sir. No purpose at all. We're not talking about nobody else but me and the situation that I am in. I'm just saying for my satisfaction. I'm not going to take force or for proof or desperation and run go do something. It have to sit with me properly. I have to think of all my options.
Can
So
I draw you a little bit? What if the
Yeah.
prophecy where the pastor lady has say right by saying there should be a reverse
What do you mean? No, I'm not swear.
relationship?
Me not swear. Sister, me go hear. I'm glad me not see that one. Me don't want hear. Me don't want a pastor lady tell me
So you're
nothing. Listen to what.
saying you're not seen. So you're saying because even remember we class the pastor lady. So you're saying that you're not because she's saying she see where you will go back to your husband and you are
Man attack. No man no know nothing. Not
so
even
you
even.
are saying you don't see that.
No, that's impossible. Things gone way out of hand, way too far, way too bad. That is impossible. So it's not about that. It's for me as a person, RT. When me young, I'm obsessed with marriage from a young. So you see the maintenance of marriage. Before I'm married, I've got that stuck in my brains. Me a marriage idiot, RT.
I realize that.
Yes.
I emphasize on that.
So you see, because I grew up with my family, them and them will get married, I see them maintain certain things, RT. Me have that mentality. Remember, I signed my signature towards something saying for better or for worse. In a God eyes, him say if I married one time. So every time I go against this, so I'm gonna make up my mind fully, RT,
But
and
if you
start.
can't use God way of judging it, because every sin is the same sin. Every sin is the same sin. Divorce sin, tell lies sin, sex sin, take a man sin,
I
lust sin.
know. It's not everything you put your signature to, RT. You remember that.
We understand.
So
Okay, no, you're saying no, no, you
that's
make a
my
switch.
vows, RT, and I put my signature. So it's easier said than done in a RT. But you see, me as a person, to get up and just do it, so in a reaching of me at
No,
RT, and that's the God Almighty.
you answer the question. You say it's not every sin you have to put a signature upon. We can work with
Yeah,
that.
everything I sin, but not everything I sign a signature to. So this
We can
marriage
work
sin
with
is a different
that.
thing. When me a grow them say you're married and take married people, them say you get 9 years out of crosses for you. Say them little something that from me a
So,
little girl me believe in a them.
so long. So you never take a married man yet?
Maybe.
Okay. Digging up your file, Mr. 2B night. One was your brother. Two was your ex major man. So you come from the B ground. Know worry yourself.
One name B girl.
Badness ground.
Oh, yeah.
So that's why when me come the first time and come on the live, now me math out everything. You always tell me now, me get it and I get it more. So the first time, me did shoot and lick one of the crown. But the king said the crown get shoes and try to put in back the diamond. I say, hey girl, I'm telling you, push my gun in your back. And you say, Archie! I say, yo, I'm gonna push my gun in your mouth. And I noticed I get black. I remember.
You know why you get black,
I
RT?
get black that same week.
Yeah, it's the same week you get black because how serious you want to put your matic in a queen mouth? Hmm? Remember equal rights in the RT?
Listen, but that is a man choice.
Yes, I like that. That is a man.
Let me repeat and say that a man choice.
Yeah.
No, my choice is my choice.
Yeah, it's not good when you force. You must get it naturally. Yeah. Girl power, what's the man?
Let me
That's
ask you a
what
question. But you doesn't look like you're a woman who like to be et.
to be what?
To be et.
I not really. Yeah, Mr. I love you, to RT. I not really care. My deal with it, I can't deal with me.
So if it is a eater, you're ready. And if it is a sticker, you're ready. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, like if me not force man, so if you're not up to it, I know your style, me not care, I
But
know
which
my style.
one calm you more and relax you? Is it the eater or the stick?
Which one calm more? I me calm myself, no eat or no stick, no make a difference to me, cause the more member. But really, you understand me? It's the spur of the moment.
You ever call out the wrong name?
Yeah.
Yes, that's a bad one. And that is very respectful though.
Tell you.
Hmm?
Me too tell it. Say, see if me cheat RT, me I go bust it. Because if me hide it today, you ask me to, me I go admit it. And RT, you know you can't do it. You'd have never, me would have go to talk, me looking at your eyes.
Hey, Queenie.
Yeah.
You know me love with you.
Wow.
You know me love with
Tell
you.
me.
You under the tequa type. Hey, girl,
What you mean?
me I want.
Oh, the bad,
The tequa type. Hey, girl,
ah!
me ya
Ah!
forward. Don't
Batman,
move.
I wish
Me
you
have
lot
my
me
man.
reason,
Instead
you
of
know.
move from me, I start me ya part.
Yeah. RT, listen. Me the hard blood clot not for crack. And that's all me know. Say anybody will crack my RT, me afferate them. You understand me?
I don't think money captivate you.
No. And that's so crazy.
That's a
Yeah.
bad thing, though.
Money.
I don't like that about you. Money is supposed to captivate you, not even for love, but for just even for getting. But that's why I made a friend still. But that's a bad behavior. It's a good behavior for me, but it's also something you need to learn for the next people who are to come. But not with me.
RT, listen, but not with you. RT, you see from there? I rely upon myself. You know, man never mind me at RT. Me not lucky for say, well, I can't get history. I always I look my own and I still my way and I rely upon myself. So you see, because I have that independent attitude, me not look for a man buy me one dresser. Right now, I want some liquor, yeah? From a liquor table. I may have some rich brethren RT, and every time I say I go call them and beg them, I want man me ask, you know. You understand me? Me just want that collection for myself. It's time my brethren them buy me the liquor, because I not drink them, you know. I just have put them on
But
the
this,
liquor.
but Queenie, I agree with you, and that's how you view things, and I'm not supposed to change that. But we have to understand, a man no afraid.
Me know, but me I saw me see RT. Remember me
Well,
a 54.
well, that means I believe you will put up yourself, man, and just take things from you and want to be worthless.
Honest, I put up myself. I am just always
Because
the
if you
same.
not
All
take
right, let me
things
tell
from a
you
man, then you're going to make the man turn worthless for just to live off of you and take what you can have. Because you
RT.
don't want it.
I said to Pix to say, from September, I say I don't want a more poor friend. I want some rich friend, some friend where money is concerned, where business is in it. Are you started? You end it December, you end it for 2023 and started for 2024. I said to Pixie, say, you see how I send it out in the universe and more rich people run my activity, come spending money. I like work for when I have RT. Me feel funny when people give me things like me. I say, why me really give me that? I want to do back something for you because all my life, RT, nobody don't give me anything, RT. All right, look on TikTok. I go up on TikTok and I make little money in the summer. And from the woman said to me, say, me for sending bank statement because me have. Me nobody go over TikTok. The woman broke. Me go look my one. You understand me? When me say to her, say, miss, the gift them when I get from TikTok, the government must get some more time. She say, yes, them need to see my bank statement. I say, that, you know, see me on TikTok, it cut my cut. So me is a self-reliant person. So I see if I say, all right now, I want the liquor table. That's the
Yeah,
thing I
but the
want.
government have to get money out of every money.
No,
On
me
TikTok.
I tell you about me. We're not talking about the government. Listen to what I'm saying now. I'm here and I done all of this for myself, for my kids. Now me want a liquor table in the corner. This and me say to myself, I'm not spend no money buying a liquor table. More and my friend them treat me. You know the cat call my friend them. It's all you. Me should have called you and said to you,
Look how much liquor you pass over my yard. Pan ground on that table. Even if you two rum with a start here. But you know beg.
thank you, RT. I'm afraid for
But
beg.
we not gonna know. If you not ask.
So that's why I'm saying it now. One of my friend give me some, and my nephew say I give my daughter for buy liquor to them. I just want my friend and buy my beer liquor. I just have beer friend liquor on my table. So
Queenie.
anybody want to participate in that? That's my new
The queen is
yeah.
royal, and I think the queen must royal beg man. The queen must royally beg man because she is the queen, and then if the king want to be king, the king have to have richness. So you have to beg man.
Me not beg no man RT. Me not. RT never beg you yet.
That's why I just give you.
Wow.
But you can't beg anybody else. Next come.
I prefer beg you. Alright, if you me up on begging spree now, RT, you see I'm comfortable with
Why
you.
you do that?
You see, alright, you see the way I'm comfortable with them, I prefer beg you. Me not beg nobody, me fool like that. Yeah, but see, so RT, alright, RT, let me tell you what reach me at England. China know, so this is before me stop here going to party. Me go one party, you know, and them charge me £20 for going. £120 me have in a RT. And I say, I have a brother in the dance, he say, one dad's, you know. And I say to him, say, buy me a Red Bull. But it look like him not hear what I say RT. RT for the whole night, me not dance, and my mouth dry, you know. Because the one man, buy me the Red Bull. I still not understand if I hear him, not hear me, or him ignore what I say RT. You see that crap, I beg nobody else. I know what somebody me could have got to. Get a glass of. I mean, I'm Queenie. I could have go up to anybody table, but me not do it RT. Me know something different. Whole night and dry my throat dry. Because I beg somebody when I know a Red Bull and them. I remember when man said to me, I think him never hear when I say the music I play. I'm afraid for beg.
Well,
That's why
I understand, but I'm saying you can try it sometime.
no. Enough to take care of me as my new friend, my friend, my new friend, my man friend, them. Una must take care of me. I'm not begging you know anything. Yeah.
Okay.
I have a man friend where sent me £250 yesterday towards my liquor. Yeah. And you know why I get that £250? Him they forgive me for my birthday from December. Yes. But him they forgive me from December for my birthday. I said to him, say, listen, I want to buy one liquor table. I just want to be a friend for donate to my liquor table. That's my boss, my little ego towards me. You know? Yeah. Me no want to spend nobody
Queenie.
I buy the liquor. And I be a duty free liquor, me.
So you want to say to me now, the fact that the man drive you down, body up, take up, I say, yo, I this one pushing at you. Fuck me the pan. Hey, girl. He might not say it that way there. But it's just the brawling way of him just drive you down
Yeah,
and say,
that
bad
was
girl,
just
me
one
fuck you.
example. That's not
Me
okay.
know, that's an
I man have
example.
the same style.
Okay, so I'm full of style. Okay, we have a problem. We have whole heap of that. But one thing I want you to know then, bad man she love. Bad man she
No,
want.
RT, let me tell you,
Bad
listen.
man you
That's
want.
where bad man should love. RT, if you
Hey,
forget me and quote me, I'm full of too much cat, I'm full of too much control, I'm too alert.
yo,
I'm going to say,
yo,
Queenie, you deserve better,
girl,
Queenie. I'm going to do the same.
blood clot. Girl. What have it? What have it? What have it? What have it? What have it, Queenie?
RT, me not ready for no man. That's just a long and short head. When the man will go flying on my head come, him come.
Yes,
But right now,
same so.
like,
Yes, same so. See that?
I like that pop artist. Like how you there and talk of the things them. I like that. Because it's entertaining RT and it's not anything we're getting plated.
You go on here, but entertaining. You go on.
Some enough a compliment RT.
But Queenie,
Yeah. Me can't make nobody compliment RT for me. Me have to
I want,
compliment him off of
I,